Just finished up this Martin standard service body SSB model, color matched, and it also has the top loader box on top. Top loader box has your dividers in it. Stainless steel latch upgrade. Keep in mind this is a single wheel truck. 2 adjustable shelves in the front. Fuel and DEF. As well as your rear box. All LED lights. Retains the factory receiver hitch. Installed the factory backup camera. This also does have the removable ladder rack on top. You can remove the back piece, put it inside a toolbox, store it away. 75-gallon fuel pump or fuel tank with a 15-gallon per minute Fill-Rite pump, auto shut-off nozzle with a filter. This side, got your box underneath. You can see where it steps back up there. And also has a tool drawer set. Really nice 8-drawer set. This is made by Martin Truck Bodies. We also added a ranch hand bumper brush guard on this as well. Really sets this truck off, finishes it off nice. Have any questions on any of these truck beds? Feel free to reach out to us at 330-933-7526. Check out our website, aletruckbeds.com. Have any more questions on these? Give us a call, guys. Like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks. We'll see you on the next one.